word? What's the word? Yeah, yeah, I'm trying, but I don't have all the answers. I tried to offer guidance through the message of my hardships. I said some bad things along the way, didn't mean it. I got a darkness, man, I'm sorry if you've seen it. I never find the words to make it better when I'm right there, but formulate it later and it haunts me like a nightmare. People try to judge you by your words and what's the meaning? I try to see it deeper in the people that I deal with. The puzzle comes together, got me foaming at the mouthpiece. I got a lot of troubles, yo, I'm sorry if I sound weak. It's all in perception, two sides of every story. I see a closed door, some others see a doorway, but I could have a thought change, realign my viewpoint. If that makes me an hypocrite, then so are you, boy. I'm over sentimental, the rest of me's a cold cunt. Other times I try to keep it stum like I don't know much. If I'm wrong, I own up. Yo, I'm broke, bruv. I tried to change the subject when you tried to make me open up. And being open, bruv, I'm trying to sober up. Stranger on the shore and I'm still waiting for the boat to come. So what's the word? What's the word? Yeah. 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 So what's the word? What's the message? What's the meaning? How you understand it and how you deal with it. Yeah, where's the sentiment? Louder arrogance, I see that you be fronting, but it's clear you're just embarrassed with a standard social paradigm, one that will elude us all. Interaction doesn't need to be unusual. Communication on a level that is human. It's hard to manifest cause we suffer from delusions. So I think before I make my move, mate, I might change my tune. Give me a minute and I'm taking two. I know the game is played in different ways, it's okay. Life's a puzzle, we're just pieces trying to fit the space. So I hope we can make it work and it gets better. Respect measures instead of just getting stressed, whatever. I got the letters on this Scrabble board, man, I'm trying to back your cause. Life's a sport that we should practice more. So what's the word? What's the word? Yeah. So what's the word? What's the word? Yeah. Yeah. What's the word? What's the meaning? Yeah, so what's the word, what's the word? Got a couple people that I love, I'd never say so. Hope they understand, and if they don't, it's by the crate load. My love I have to offer, that's my life, my whole existence. I'm truly sorry if you feel I'm being distant, but if you're upset, then enough said, let me know. I think some healthy communication could really help us grow. But it ain't easy, believe me, stuck in this world of mine. You mean the world, but really I'm struggling for the words to find to let you know. So on this beat, yo, I let it flow. And if you know, then 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 you know. And if you know, then you know.
Do you know the story of the millet bird and the ant?
No.
Then listen. It's a story about helping each other. You see the bird that made its nest right there?
The yellow bird?
The Malakoteng ant is never far away. After the rain, it always brings out its seeds to dry them, but also for the bird. It's no coincidence that the bird builds its nest here. It sings and tells the ant when the rain is over, so that it can bring its seeds out. And in return, the ant lets it peck at its supplies because it knows that the bird has nothing to eat right now. Look. But the bird is honest. Once the millet is grown, it will return the share it borrowed from the ant. It perches on the spikes, shaking off seeds that fall on the ground where the ant can gather them. Once the